All right, bring him down steady. Whoa, easy there. Good bull. Next one coming, keep the line clear.
This one has a good curve, but the base is uneven. Check this one, it's larger and smoother. Agreed, grade it higher.
Welcome to our Black Brahman line. Automation boosts efficiency by 40%.
Cutting costs.
We use only certified suppliers, ensuring no forced labor and full traceability. That's a strong value proposition. All right, bring him down steady. Whoa, easy there. Good bull. Next one coming, keep the line clear.
Look at bull 2047. Weight is up to 1800. Good. Body condition is 7.5. Excellent. Next one, 2051, has a slight limp. I'll flag it for the vet.
Let's start with the eyes.
Noting that, proceeding to ears.
Ears are clear. Overall, the bull looks healthy.
Noted. Vitals stable. Good muscle definition along the back. Noting the score now.
Scan initiated. First bull entering the corridor.
Laser alignment confirmed. Receiving clean data.
Frame score is 6.5. Excellent muscle
Data
bull.
log. Next bull approaching.
Rotation is steady. Solution looks good. Timer is counting down. Pressure stable.
Check this one. The grain is uneven here. Yes, and this car needs marking. Tag it and we'll flag for rework. Got it. This batch looks promising.
Okay, let's stack these on the grade A pallet. Got it. Keep them even. This stack is looking good. Yeah, almost ready for storage.
This batch looks promising. Let's check the color consistency.
Right. This swatch is a good match. Texture feels consistent.
Good. I'm recording that. Let's do the next one.
On it. This one passes.
Let's start the final inspection on this Brahman hide.
Agreed. Checking for softness and durability.
The grain feels consistent. No weak points.
And the texture is very soft. It's approved.
This one has a good curve, but the base is uneven. Check this one. It's larger and smoother. Agreed. Grade it higher. Steady pressure, we're getting that shine. Yes, rotating now for the other side. Perfect, look at that glossy black finish.
Almost ready for the next step.
Load these next, stack front to back. Copy that, coming in. Easy now, watch the door. Got word, pallet secure. Next batch.
Scanning first box. Confirmed. Scanning second. Match, 12 units.
Verified on manifest.
Proceeding to next. All clear.
Let's check the top layer for thickness.
Okay, lifting this one. The grain looks good, very consistent.
Agreed. This batch is premium.
Make sure they're snug in the straw. Got it, laying them out now. Good. Keep the curves aligned. Understood. That should hold for transport. Lowering forks, heading to the outbound dock. Clear path ahead, proceeding. Positioning at the dock now.
Printing the NYC label.
Okay, I'll do the LAX one.
Label applied. Looks good.
Printing the fragile one now.
Hold up, need to see your manifest. Right here. IDs and permits too. All clear, proceed.
That last meeting was intense.
Tell me about it. Coffee?
Yes, please, I need it. The new posters look good.
Reminds us of the goals. Welcome to our Black Brahman line. Automation boosts efficiency by 40%.
Cutting costs.
We use only certified suppliers, ensuring no forced labor and full traceability. That's a strong value proposition. I've never seen such precision in Brahman product processing. Best quality Brahman leather I've ever sourced globally.